All right, so hey guys, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Today we are going to be talking about how I diagnose my car and find out what is wrong with it. Thank you guys for clicking on this video, and if you want to see more tips and tricks and just driving videos, crazy driving videos, reviews, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is the third time I shot this video. I'm gonna try to not like yell into the mic like I was doing before unintentionally. It was just happening. I don't know what's going on. I'm talking about trying to find problems like if your servo isn't centering, if your receiver's not turning on. For electronics, one of your wheels isn't moving. It's making a funny clicking noise when you steer, just crunches when you go around corners, you know, just stuff like that is what I'm talking about. Usually I usually start with the power sources, meaning the battery if it's something electronic, or the motor if it's something drivetrain related. So let's say that your servo won't recenter itself. You turn on the car and it's stuck like that still. I always backtrack to see, like, is the speed control on? And if the speed control is on, then is the receiver on? Most receivers nowadays have a little light to see if it's on. So is the receiver on? Then if the receiver is on, then is the servo receiving a signal? Sometimes even though it's cocked over to the side like this, it still won't move because it is getting a signal from the radio to not move or anything. So then, bam, we've just narrowed it down that the problem is your trims or your sub trim, or you got to take the servo horn off and center the servo on the radio, then center it as best you can on here, and then do that. So yeah, and then drivetrain related. Let's say that you have a four-wheel drive car like this one, and your front wheels aren't turning. I go back to the motor. Is the motor spinning? Sometimes your motor may not be spinning. That is what I go back to. Is the motor spinning? Yes. Is the slipper clutch / center diff? Is the center diff / slipper clutch moving? If it's yes or no, sometimes it's no. But let's say that everything is good here, then you know that the power is getting sent to at least the diffs, and that your problem is probably in the diffs. Maybe your diffs might even be moving. Then you know you got to look at the out drives or the diff cups for your front diff, or you can go a little bit further to the axles. Sometimes there's a little pin in these axles that falls out, and that could be your problem. So I went through it really quick, really simple, but that's basically what I do on how I find an issue. Yeah, I hope that was somewhat educational, somewhat helpful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. When you do subscribe, make sure to hit that bell so you guys can be notified every time that I upload something. I'm telling you guys this to just help rank my videos better so that more people can find them, so that more people can enjoy them. You know, YouTube and its crazy algorithms has been really crazy lately. Just want you guys to help me out, hit that like button, and watch the video when it comes out. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week or at the track.